after watching the film?
Well, all of us have been, talking, and we've been waiting. We were really excited to watch the movie. Ako, after watching the whole film, sobrang tawan-tawa lang ako sa mga ginagawa namin. The whole shooting process was very smooth. It was very fun. The whole cast, Mr. James, Kian, Atikay, sobrang gaan katrabaho, sobrang lalo na si Direk also, ang dami kong natutunan. So, the whole movie was a breeze. Watching it was so fun. I had so much fun watching it. Sobrang laugh trip lang. Pero may laman lahat. Alam mo yung dinideliver ng film, lalo na tayo sa industry. That's me yung sinasabi.
What can you say about your character?
Well, yeah, my character's really fun. I had a lot of fun portraying it. I was able to experiment. I was able to do a lot. So yun. He's silent, pero he's very reactive to what's happening around him. Pero
paano ka pala nag-motivate or nag-prepare for the character?
Well, I just had to go through the script over and over and over and over again hanggang makuha ko yung reaction sa bawat linya na binabato, kasi that's the job my character has. So, kailangan mag-react lang ako sa lahat ng words, sa lahat ng nangyayari sa eksena. So I just had to keep going through the script, going through all my reactions, my nuances, and then
And when should people watch Septic now this Christmas season?
Of course, it's a really fun movie. It's siya yung pinakamasayang movie among all of them. So kailangan, I mean, if of course you want to be happy this Christmas, panoorin mo yung Septic Tank.
Okay.